let's learn how to split text into multiple text boxes in Illustrator in this super simple tutorial. So for this tutorial today, we're going to be using a very simple script that I put together here. So I'll show you how to use the script very shortly. But first, let's set up a scenario where this technique would be applicable. So if I come to my type tool, and I'm just going to click and drag out a very simple text box, just put text here, select it with selection tool, and I'm just going to center align the text. And then use the option key. I'm just going to click and drag out a second and a third. And then if I select these three with the selection tool, hold the option key again, and I'll drag out another three and three more. So I've got 9 text boxes here. Now, the point of this script is to take a block of text and distribute it between the different text boxes, depending on where you decide you want one piece of text to end and another to begin. So if you were to use threading, for example, if I select this here, if I were to click here and thread into this text box here, yes, the text will cascade through the text boxes. However, it won't split at certain intervals. So that's where this script will come in handy. So once I have my text boxes created, using the selection tool, let's highlight them all, and either right click and group, or if you're in a newer version of Illustrator, just simply click group down here. So I've grouped together my text boxes. Then I need to create my script to distribute the text. So I've put this text document on the website. You can find the link below. All you need to do is copy this bit of code. If I right click, copy, and then in Notepad or TextEdit, that's what I'm using now, you just simply paste it in. And what you want to do then is save this as a .jsx file. So you can call it whatever you want. I've called mine split text into frames. But when you save it, make sure you change the extension to .jsx. That then will create a JavaScript file that will then run as a script. Now, the way the script works is it distributes the text depending on when the return key is used. If I come into a blank text document here, so I'll quickly show you how this works. So I'm going to make this very simple. I'll just write out 1 to 9. But basically, if I type out 1, full stop, and then use the return key, 2, full stop, return key. Every time I use the return key, that's where the script will know that one piece of text ends and another begins, and how to distribute it accordingly amongst the text boxes. So I've got 9 text boxes here. So ideally, I want 9 pieces of text. So let's just write these out very quickly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So once I have my text, I'm just going to keep this here on the left-hand side. If I come back into Illustrator, so I've grouped my text boxes together now. So if I select them with selection tool, there's my 9 text boxes. I'm now going to run the script. So if I go to File, Scripts, Other Script. So now locate where you've saved your .jsx file. So I've got a folder called Illustrator Scripts. Keep them all in there. So I'm going to select my split text into frames.jsx. That's the script I want to run. So select it, press open. I will now be prompted with a paste your text, user returns to split message box. So from there, if I come back into my text document, I'm just going to highlight the text I want to put into the text boxes. Let's right click and copy. Then I'm going to come in then to this little box and paste them in. So right click paste. And if you use the arrow keys to go up and down, you'll be able to see all the text you've pasted in. So I'm happy that all 9 have been pasted in. And then once I'm happy, simply click OK. And now the text has been distributed amongst the 9 text boxes. And the great thing is I can go back in with the type tool and I can make changes. I can do kind of whatever I want to this, change font, change style, delete it, whatever I want. But initially, that script will take any piece of text and distribute it amongst as many different text boxes as you want it to. And like I said, the return key is how you distinguish where one piece of text ends and another piece of text begins in regard to how it's distributed among the text boxes. So there you have it. It's that simple to run a simple script that splits text and distributes it amongst an infinite number of text boxes. I've put this script on my website, which you can find in the link below. So grab the text yourself, create your own Notepad or TextEdit file, paste it in, and then just save it as a .jsx file. That's then the script you use when you go to File, Scripts, and Other Script. So there you have it. It's that simple. I really hope you found that tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.